Hello everyone, my name is Prajwal Patil. I am studying MMS in SAS Institute of Management Studies, Boisar. In this video, I am going to present decision making theory under uncertainty based on 4 criteria method in subject operation research. So let's start. First start with introduction. Decision theory. Decision theory is a primary concern with helping people and organizations in making decisions. It provides a meaningful conceptual frame work for important decision making. The decision making refers to the selection of an act for among the various alternatives, the one which is judged to be the best under given circumstances. The management has to consider phase like planning, organization, directing, command and control. While performing so many activities, the management has to face many situations from which the best choice is to be taken. This choice making is technically termed as decision making or decision taking. A decision is simply a selecting from two or more course of action. Decision making may be defined as a process of best selecting from a set of alternative course of action. That course of action which is supposed to meet objective up to satisfaction of the decision maker. The knowledge of statistical techniques help to select the best action. The statistical decision theory refers to an optimal choice under conditions of uncertainty. In this case, probability theory has a virtual role. As such, the probability theory will be used more frequently in decision making theory under uncertainty and risk. The statistic decision theory tries to rival the logical structure of the problem into alternative action, state of nature, possible outcome, and likely payoffs from such outcome. Let us explain the concept associated with the decision theory approach to problem solving. Decision making under uncertainty. A decision problem where a decision maker is aware of various possible states of nature but has insufficient information to assign any probabilities of occurrence of them, in terms as decision making under uncertainty. A decision under uncertainty is when there are many unknowns and no possibilities of knowing what could occur in the future to alter the outcome of a decision. We feel uncertainty about a situation when we can't predict with complete confidence that the outcome of our actions will be. We experience uncertainty about a specific question when we can't give a single answer with complete confidence. Decision making theory under uncertainty based on 4 criteria method. So there are 4 criteria: maximum criteria, max criteria, Laplace criteria and Hurwitz criteria. So let's discuss one by one. First of all, maximum criteria. This creation, also known as the creation of premise, is used when the decision maker is about future. Maximum implies the maximization of minimum payoff. The decision maker locates the minimum payoff for each possible course of action. The maximum of this minimum payoffs is identified and the corresponding course of action is selected. This is explained in the following example. So here I give one chart. Let there be a situation in which a decision maker has 3 possible alternatives: A1, A2, A3, that is action 1, action 2 and action 3, where the outcome of each of them can be affected by a of any one of 4 possible events, which S1, S2, S3 and S4. The monetary payoff of each combination of and S are given in the following table. So in maximum criteria, we first all action in the row. So solution is the same. 17 is the maximum out of the minimum payoff. The optimal action is we select A2. Then next, maximax criteria. This creation, also known as the creation of optimism, is used where the decision maker is optimistic about future. maximum impulse the maximization of maximum payoff. So optimistic decision maker locate the maximum payoff for each possible course of action. The maximum of these payoffs identify and their corresponding course of action is selected. The optimal course of action is the above example based on the creation is A3. So in the table we see maximum payoffs of actions and maximum criteria is 52. So answer is A3. Then next, Laplace creation. In the absence of any knowledge about the probabilities of occurrence of various states of nature, one possible way out is to assume that all of them are equally likely to occur. Thus, if there are n states of nature, each can be assigned a probability of occurrence is equal to 1 divided by n. Using these probabilities, we compute the expected payoff for each course of action, and the action with maximum expected value is regarded as optimal. So there was a table, and also I calculate the Laplace criteria. Average I calculate in the rows. So highest average is 33. Therefore we select the strategy A3, that is action 3. So the next one is Hurwitz's criteria. The maximum and the maximin criteria discussed above assume that the decision maker is either optimistic or pessimistic. A more realistic approach would, however, be to take into account the degree of index of optimism and pessimism of the decision maker is the process of decision making. If alpha, a constant lying between a 0 and 1, denote the degree of optimism, then the degree of pessimism will be 1 minus alpha. Then a weighted average of the maximum and minimum payoff an action with alpha and 1 minus alpha as a respective weight is computed. The action with highest average is regarded as optimal. So here we assume that the index of optimum alpha is equal to 0.7. I give there always alpha is equal to 0.7, and I give there a formula of calculate Harvey criteria is equal to alpha max plus in bracket 1 minus 2 bracket complete and minimum criteria. So in chart I calculate the Harvey's of every row, every actions, and there I 22.5, 36.6, 40.9, and the biggest strategy is 40.9. That's why therefore we select strategy A3 in the Harvey creation in that sum. So here we see 4 criteria of uncertainty in decision making. Thank you so much.